The Demco part number 6175 is the OE adapter for the Ford puck system. This Ford original equipment adapter system will work with any industry standard fifth wheel hitch. To install the adapter, first remove the bed puck covers if installed, and with the locking arm bolts loose enough to move the locking mounts, place the main frame into the box of the truck over mounting pods so the locking arms fit into the truck pods as shown. With all the locking handles in the truck sockets, turn all the handles in to make sure they will all latch. If any of the handles will not turn in, remove the handle assembly from the frame. Remove the bottom bolt to remove the handle from the mount, and remove a washer that sits between the handle and the top of the handle mount. Once your latches are set up for your truck, turn the handle in so they will lock into each other. Reinstall the handle in the mount and try in the frame. Once the handles all latch, torque all bolts to 35 foot-pounds. At this time, make sure the frame can be removed and operate properly. This process will only need to be done for the frame to fit the truck's hitch pockets. One thing to note, apply a little grease or lubricant to the part of the pins that insert into the mounting pods to help maintain smooth operation and rotation of the pin and to protect it from the elements. Turn the pins occasionally to prevent them from seizing. Lastly, place the supplied locking pins in the mounting holes to lock the latch handles as shown. You are now ready to install your hitch.